Hello grade 6 students. Today I am going to do first term revision with you. So today first term test 2019 Provincial Department of Education Northwestern Province paper. So you get 2 hours for the whole paper and you get 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 1, 20 short questions, each question worth 2 marks. So in the first page you get 1 to 6. Then question number 7 to 13, 14 to 20, and then you get part 2. Answer first question and 4 questions only, and then it says 16 marks will be given for first question and 11 marks for other questions. So you get question number 1, then 1B, question number 2, then 3, 4, 5, and the last page, question number 6 and 7. So let's do this paper now. Let's take question number 1. How many circles are there on this button? So we have to count how many circles are there. So it's easy if you can circle this, so you can easily identify. So this is 1. Then you get another circle here, 2. Another one here, 3. And another one here, 4. So how many altogether? How many circles? 4 circles are there. You get 2 marks for identifying the number of circles. Question number 2. In the number 2389, what is the value represented by 2? 2 is in the thousands place. So units place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. So what is 2? 2000. The value of 2 means 2000. 2 marks. Question number 3. What will be the balance if Sunil gives 100 rupees to buy a pencil price 12 rupees? So balance means the difference. 100 minus 12. 10 minus 2, 8. This becomes 9. 9 minus 1, 8. So here we took this one. So 88 rupees is the balance. You get 2 marks. Question number 4. Express 34 hours in days and hours. 34 hours. So 24 hours is 1 day. So we can divide by 24 and see how many 24s are there. 1. What's remaining? 10. So that means 1 day, and this remainder is in hours, 10 hours. So you get 2 marks. Question number 5. In the number 8, 230, 072 and 500, right? The group of numbers belong to thousand zone. So this is divided into zones. So 1000 zones. So here this is 100, this is 1000 and this is million. And this is billions. So here 100, thousands, millions, and you can say billions, trillions, like that. But you don't need that. Here they are asking only the 1000 zones. So this is 1000 zones. What are the numbers? 0, 7, 2. So this is 72,000. So 0, 7, 2 is the group of numbers belong to thousands. So thousands zone. So you get 2 marks for that. Question number 6, simplify. Just addition. So make sure that you write in a column. Units place a line with one column and then tens place. So now add it. 3 and 3 is 6. 1 plus 0, 1, 0, 2. 2016. 2 marks for that. Question number 7. Fill in the blanks using suitable values. So this is multiplied by 6 and this is the answer. So I'll write down 0 something 8 multiplied by 6. The answer is 2, 2 something. So 6 times 8, 48. So 8 comes here. 4 remaining. So 6 times something plus 4 is 22. 6 times 2, that's 12 plus 4, 16. 6 times 3, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. So that means this should be 3. So you get 2 marks, 1 mark each for these 2 blanks. Question number 8. Join the pairs which express the same time. 3 days, 24, 24, 24 hours. That's 72 hours. 24 hours is 1 day. You can connect to this one. And 100 seconds. 100 divided by 60, what you get? 1 and 60, 40 remaining. So that means 1 minute and 40 seconds. 60 seconds is 1 minute. So that's this one. You get 2 marks. Question number 9. What is the number marked in the number line? That's -2. Then mark the number 2 in the above number line 2. So 2 is here. So you draw a solid circle on that. You get 1 mark each. 1 mark for this one and 1 mark for marking +2. Question number 10. Below figures shows how to add the 2 numbers using abacus. Express the total in the relevant number frame abacus. So addition of these 2 becomes this one. So we'll take the ones place. This is 3 and 2. You get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. But you write 1 there and take 1 to the hundreds place. So nothing there, but 1 is there when you add. So that's the number. So what's the number actually? 115 is the answer. 2 marks for that. Question number 11. Write all the integers between -2 and +1. Between means you can't take -2 or 1. So what are the other numbers? You can take -1. Then 0. 0 is an integer. Then you can't write 1 in between. So only -1 and 0. 2 marks. Question number 12. Name the type of this angle. It's a straight line. What is this angle? We call straight angle. Two marks. Question number 13. Round off 75 to the nearest multiple of 10. So when you get the last digit 5 or more, you are adding 1 to that. So the next value. So this becomes 80. 80 is the multiple of 10. But if it's 74, then you take 70. So 2 marks for that. Question number 14. Fill in the blanks using appropriate numbers among these numbers. -3, 2, -2. -2 is less than something. Is it -2 less than -3? That's wrong. Whatever the number on the right hand side on the number line is bigger than the other number. So -2 is bigger than -3. -2 is less than 2. That's correct. But -2 is not less than, that's equal to -2. So the appropriate number is 2. You get 2 marks there. Question number 15. Express 1st of April 2019 in International Standard Form. When you are writing International Standard Form, year is first with 4-digit numbers. And then you put April. April is 04. And then first, you can write 01. So 2 digits here. For the year, 4 digits. So you get 2 marks there. Question number 16. Write down the numbers marked on the number line in ascending order. Ascending order means lowest to highest. So that means we have to start from the left hand side. So -3. Then you get -1, 0 and 2. So ascending lowest to highest. So 2 marks for that. Question number 17. 6 is greater than 2. Write this inequality in words. This is greater than. Crocodile mouth open to the bigger side. 6 is greater than 2. 2 marks for that. Question number 18. From the following items, select and write 2 items in which the circular shape can be observed. A drum. Yes, you get the circular shape. Meter steel. Meter steel is not a circular shape. CD. CD, you get a circular shape. And shoes. You are not getting circular shapes for shoes. And tire, yes, you get circular shape. So you can write down 2 items from these 3. You get 2 marks. Question number 19. Select and write the suitable words given in the brackets in each sentences. The floor of the school building is in horizontal or vertical. This way is a horizontal plane. The wall of the school building is in vertical plane. This way, vertical. So you need to know what is vertical and what is horizontal. This way it's horizontal. This way it's vertical. So 1 mark each. Question number 20. That's the last question in part 1. Name the subdirection which makes an acute angle when rotate to anti-clockwise from north. So when you take north side, this is north and this is west, this is south and this is east. Subdirection which makes an acute angle when rotate to anti-clockwise. Clockwise direction is this way. So anti-clockwise means this way from north. So what's the subdirection here? In between north and west we call northwest. That's the subdirection when you rotate anti-clockwise with acute angle. You get 2 marks. So we did 20 short questions, each question worth 2 marks. Let's do part 2 now. So part 2, first question you have to do and you get 16 marks for that. And then from the other questions you can select only 4 questions. So let's take the question number 1. The below diagram has drawn by a group of students as an activity for the directions lesson. Answer the following questions by considering the above diagram. In which direction is the office located with respect to the canteen? This is the canteen. So office is to the north side because here can you see it's marked north is upwards. What is located in the northeast with respect to the canteen? Canteen is here. North east, this side, Buddha house. Let's do the next one. In which direction is the hall number 2 located with respect to hall number 1? Hall number 1 is here. Hall number 2 is here. So you have to give hall number 2 located with respect to this one. So this way. This is east. This is south. In between south and east we call southeast. Fourth part. What is located in the south from the gate? Gate is here. So south means office. If Samantha faces north and wants to turn to south, north to south, from the canteen, what type of angle will he make? So here to here, that's a straight line. So you get a straight angle. 180 degrees, that's called straight angle. So how many marks for these questions? Now we did all 5 parts. Let's see how many marks for first one. This is part A. North, 1 mark. Buddha house, that's 2 marks. 3, then southeast, 2, 5, 7, that's office, and then 9. So let's do the next part, part B. The following figure depicts different types of angles marked from letters A to H. By considering the figures, answer the following questions. Name 2 acute angles. Acute means less than 90 degrees. So here G is an acute. C is also acute. And what about this one? this looks like 90 degrees. So we can definitely write G and C. What type of angle is shown by letter F? F is H, G, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, F. F is here more than 180 degrees. That's reflex angle. So how many marks for that? GC 2 marks and reflex 2 marks. So 4 marks there. So we gave 9 plus 4, 13. Part 3. Name 2 obtuse angles. Obtuse is more than 90, less than 180. So D is an obtuse angle and E also obtuse. You can write B or E. B also obtuse. What type of angle is shown by letter A? This is horizontal, this is like vertical, 90 degrees. So that's a right angle. So how many marks? 2 marks here and 1 mark. So here you can write D, E, E also, 2 from this as obtuse angle. So you get 3, earlier 13 plus 3, 16 marks for the first question. Question number 2, you get 5 parts. The following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius of several cities around the world at 6 a.m. on a certain day. According to the number line, which city recorded the highest temperature? One which is to the right, that's New Delhi. Which city recorded the lowest temperature? To the left side, that's London. So how many marks for these two? 2 each. That's 4. Part 3. Write the names of the cities in ascending order according to the temperature. Ascending means lowest to highest. London, Peking, Paris. And then Sydney, New Delhi. Sydney and then New Delhi. Name the cities that recorded less temperature than Paris. So we have to check where's Paris. To the left, that's lower than the temperature in Paris. London and Peking. Write the difference between the temperature of London and New Delhi in units. London -3, New Delhi 5. The difference. So difference is 5 minus -3. When you multiply minus minus, that becomes plus. 5 plus 3, that means 8 Celsius degrees. So that's the difference between New Delhi and London. So how many marks for these parts? You get 3 marks for this part, 2 here and 2. So 7 and 4, 11 marks for question number 2. Let's take question number 3. The following figure depicts 8 cards of 1 digit to prepare for a mathematical activity. Write the largest number that can be formed by using the above 8 cards. So let's do this separately. 2 parts are there. So what's the largest number that can be formed by using the above 8 cards? Largest number first. 9. Then largest one. Then next you get 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the largest number. Write down the number in standard form. So when you are writing the standard form, number in standard form, you have to start from the right side, number, and then you keep 3 digits. So 431, that's units place, and then you keep a space, 765, that's thousands zone, and then you get 99, that's millions. So 99,765,431. So you have to leave a space there. Write this number in words. 99 million 765,431. Then write down the value represented by 4 in the numbers which you wrote 4. So that's in the hundreds place. The value is 400. So how many marks? So you are getting 99765,431. That's writing in standard form. That's 3 marks. Then 99,765,431. That's 3 marks. And then 400, 2 marks. So 6 plus 2, 8. Write down the smallest possible number that can be made using above 8 cards. So you have to start other way around, starting from the lowest. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 9. That's the lowest number. So how you read that? 13,456,799. How many times larger that the number in tens place? Tens place, that's 9 means 90. Then the number in units place which was written by you. Units place is 9. So how many times bigger? You divide and see ratio. 9 times 10. So 10 times bigger. How many marks for part B? That's 1 mark here. And this is division, 2 marks. So 8 plus 3, 11 marks. Question number 4. Simplify. First you have to add, then subtract, multiply and division. Then you have to divide by 18. So let's add it. So you have to add separately. Make sure that you write in a column. 8 plus 4, 12, 1 remaining. 10 plus 3, 13, 1 remaining. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9, 2, 2,932. Then subtraction also, write in a column. 2,357, you have to subtract. You can't subtract, so you take 1. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. This becomes 4. 4 minus 2, 2. Multiplication. How you multiply? You can split 24, 20 and 4. Multiply by 2 first. Put a 0. 2 times 6, 12. 1 remaining. 2 times 7, 14 plus 1, 15. Then multiply by 4. 4 times 6, 24. 2 remaining. 4 times 7, 28 plus 2, 30. Now add these two numbers. 1,824. 24,300 divided by 100. It's so easy. You move the decimal place 2 places to the left. So what's the answer? 243. So let's give marks. 2,932, 2 marks. 2,643, 2 marks. 1,824, 3 marks. And here 243, just 1 mark. So here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And next part, find the value using long division method. 6,570 divide by 18. So what's the value? 18 times 3, 54. 4, 4 times 8, 32, 3 remaining. 4 times 1, 4 plus 3, 7. So that's too big. So you have to take 3. 3 times 8, 24. 2 remaining. 3 times 1, 3 plus 2, 5. Now subtract. You get 1 and 1. So 117. 8. 8 is too big. Then you can take 6. 6 is okay. 6 times 8, 48. 4 remaining. 6 times 1, 6 plus 4, 10. Now subtract. You get 9. And take this 0. For 90, that's 5. 5 times 8, 40. 4 remaining. 5 times 1, 5 plus 4, 9. So remainder 0. So what's the answer? 365. So how many marks for that? 3 marks. So 8 plus 3, 11 marks for that question. Now we'll take question number 5. That's about time. A train which left Colombo Fort at 10:35 a.m. took 1 hour 55 minutes to reach Kurunegala and then 2 hours and 30 minutes to reach Anuradhapura. Write the total time taken by the train to reach from Colombo to Anuradhapura in hours and minutes. So we have to add hours and minutes. 1 hour 55 for the first part, Colombo to Kurunegala. Then 2 hours and 30 minutes from Kurunegala to Anuradhapura. So add, we need the total. 55 and 30, when you add it, you get 85. But you can't keep that. So subtract 60 from that, you get 25. So 25 here, and we can add 1 there. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 hours and 25 minutes. Write the time that train took to reach Anuradhapura in standard form. Anuradhapura. So here, after 4 hours and 25 minutes, what's the starting time? 10:35. When you add 4 hours, 25 minutes, what you get? So here, you get 60 here. That means 0, 0. You can take 1 hour there. 10 plus 4, 14 plus 1, 15. So this is 15 hours. This is in standard form. You can write 15. You put a colon and then put hours. Actually 3 p.m. After 12. This is 3 p.m. or we can write in standard form 15 hours. So how many marks for this one? How many marks for this one? You get 3 marks, 4 hours and 24 minutes, 25 minutes. And then 15 hours, you get 2 marks. So 5 marks for that. Now let's take third part. Write the difference taken by the train to reach from Kurunegala to Anuradhapura and from Colombo to Kurunegala. So the difference. So which one is bigger? 2 hours and 30. 155. So you have to subtract. 230, 155. This is hours, minutes. You can't subtract 55 from 30. So we have to take 1 hour. So that means 60 minutes. 60 plus 30, 90. 90 minus 55 now. 35 here. So this becomes 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So that means difference is 35 minutes. So how many marks? 3 marks for that. Let's take the last part. Part B, add. So days and hours. 24 is the maximum. 24 hours you can take as 1 day. So when you are adding, you get 25. 25 you can't write. So you subtract 24, you get 1 there. So 1 hour. You have to take 1 day here. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 days, 1 hour. So what's the value here? And how many marks? 3 marks. So earlier we gave 8. 8 plus 3, 11 marks. Question number 6. You get 3 parts. Round off the following numbers to the nearest multiple of 10. 32. 32, the number is less than 5, the last digit. So we round it to the lowest number. That's 30. 47. 7 is the number above 5. So we round it to the highest value. That's 50. 65. 5 is also we move to the highest one. So that's 70 is the multiple of 10. So how many marks for that? 30, 50 and 70. 2 marks each. Part B, when a number of houses in a village is rounded off to the nearest multiple of 10 is 50. What is the lowest number of houses can be seen in the village? If the rounded value is 50, we need the lowest number. So this way, lowest number, it becomes 45. 44 becomes 40. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, all rounded to 50. So that's lowest number is 45. What is the highest number of houses can be seen in the village? Now you have to think about this way. If it's 55, that's rounded to 60. So what's the highest number? 54. So how many marks? 2 marks and 2 marks here. Part C, write the instance which the estimation can be used in day-to-day life. Why we are estimating? Now think about, you go to the market and you buy items. Before paying, you can just roughly calculate the value and see whether you have enough money. So that's one example. Every day we are doing that. So you can say estimate a bill value before paying. First you have to check whether you have enough money for that. So that's a good example. So you get 1 mark for that. So we have to see whether we give 11 marks. 1, 4, 5 and 6. 11 marks for that. Now we'll move to question number 7. That's your last question. The following table is given to estimate the expenses of a party. Copy the table and fill in the blanks. So we can do it here. Item needed, quantity needed and unit price. Unit price means for one item. One item is 12. 100 are there. 100 into 12. Move the decimal place 2 places to the right. 1,200 rupees. One item is 8 rupees. 200 items banana. Multiply by 8. 8 times 0, 0. 8 times 0, 0. 8 times 2, 16. 1,600. This is 1 kilo is 380. You need 2 kilos. So 380 multiplied by 2, 760. 1 kilo is 380. When you divide by 2, you get value for 500 grams. 380 divided by 2, 190. So 190 and 760, you add it. 950 rupees. This one, 1 kilo is 100. 2 kilos, 200. 1 kilo is 100 means you divide by 4 to get 250 grams value. So divide by 4, you get 25 rupees. So when you add it, you get 225. 1 packet is 350. 3 packets multiplied by 3. 3 times 0, 0. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 3, 9 plus 1, 10. 1,050 rupees. Now we can find the total. 0, 0. 5. 5 and 5, 10 plus 2, 12. 1 remaining, 10. 6, 16. 17, 18, 19, 20. 2 remaining, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the bill is 5,025 rupees. This is in rupees. So you are getting full marks for that. So question number 7, 1 mark for 1,200. 1,600, 1 mark. 953 marks. 225 also 3 marks. 1,051 mark, and the total 5,025, 2 marks. So altogether 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 marks for that. So this is the last question in your paper. Make sure that you do the paper first and then watch my video to check your answers.